Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how I cook quinoa. I'm making it plain and simple as I will be using it to make a delicious salad, which I will be uploading in my next video. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. It's great to have you here. And for my returning subbies, welcome back. With no further ado, let's get into it. First and foremost, you will need your quinoa, a measuring cup, and a fine mesh strainer. Quinoa's coating contains a bitter compound that, if not washed properly, will change the taste of your quinoa. In your mesh strainer, wash your quinoa carefully under running water for at least 1 minute or until the water runs clear. Once you've washed your quinoa, allow it to drain in your mesh strainer for a few minutes. I like to toast my quinoa before cooking as it helps to dry it out and brings out the rich, nutty taste. To do so, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium saucepan. Add your quinoa and stir constantly for approximately 5 minutes. Once that is done, now it's time to add my liquid. I am using 2 cups of quinoa, so I'll be using 4 cups of water. You could also substitute with chicken stock or vegetable stock. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes or until all the liquid has been absorbed. 10 minutes into cooking, I'm checking to make sure my water is being absorbed nicely. I'm going to return the cover and turn the heat down on the lowest setting and allow to cook for a further 5 minutes. After a full 15 minutes of cooking, my quinoa is ready. You can serve this as a healthy side dish with any meat of choice. In my next video, I will show you how I will use this quinoa to make a delicious and wholesome salad dish. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so you will not miss out on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.